Volkswagen Tiguan. A-Shift Zone brings you another detailed car review, exploring performance, features, global pricing, and everything that makes this SUV stand out in 2026. The Volkswagen Tiguan has long been one of the brand's most successful SUVs worldwide, blending practicality, design, and a solid German driving experience. The 2026 model builds upon that legacy with refined styling, new hybrid options, and improved technology, making it more appealing than ever for families and enthusiasts alike. The new Tiguan carries Volkswagen's signature build quality and understated elegance. The exterior now looks sharper, with a wider grille, full-width LED light bar, and sleeker headlamps. The lines flow more smoothly across the body, giving it a more aerodynamic silhouette. It rides on stylish alloy wheels that vary from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the variant. At the rear, the connected tail lamps and the new Tiguan script in the center bring a modern identity similar to Volkswagen's premium lineup. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels premium and minimalist. Volkswagen's focus on high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting creates a comfortable and refined atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large central touchscreen measuring up to 15 inches, running the latest MIB4 infotainment system, offering faster responses, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice assistant integration. The digital cockpit behind the steering wheel provides clear graphics and customizable layouts, giving drivers total control of vehicle data. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives, with optional massage and ventilation functions. Space is generous for both front and rear passengers, and the Tiguan continues to be one of the most spacious compact SUVs in its class. In some markets, it's even available with a third row, making it a 7-seater option. The boot capacity is excellent, easily handling family luggage or road trip gear. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a wide range of powertrain options depending on the market. The 2026 Tiguan can be had with efficient petrol TSI engines, torquey diesel TDI engines, and an all-new plug-in hybrid variant. The base 1.5-liter TSI produces around 150 horsepower, delivering smooth and refined performance, perfect for city driving and highway cruising. The 2.0-liter TSI engine pushes out up to 190 horsepower in standard form, while the more powerful Tiguan R-Line version produces 320 horsepower for a sportier, all-wheel drive experience. The plug-in hybrid model combines a 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor and a larger battery, offering around 100 kilometers of electric-only range. This makes it one of the most practical hybrids in its segment, especially for daily commuting with minimal fuel use. The diesel variants continue to serve regions where fuel efficiency and torque are top priorities, particularly in Europe and parts of Asia. Performance-wise, the Tiguan remains a benchmark for comfort and stability. The steering feels precise and responsive, the suspension soaks up bumps confidently, and the overall driving experience feels planted and secure. Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip in all weather conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or gravel roads. The Tiguan's refined chassis tuning gives it an edge over many rivals, offering a balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. The 2026 model also improves on driver assistance and safety. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. Some trims even include semi-autonomous driving capability, allowing the car to maintain lanes and distances at highway speeds. Volkswagen's attention to safety makes the Tiguan one of the most secure SUVs in its segment, earning top safety ratings globally. In terms of fuel economy, the 1.5 TSI averages around 15 to 17 km/L depending on conditions, while the diesel models stretch close to 20 km/L on highways. The hybrid can achieve remarkable efficiency, especially if charged regularly, offering the lowest running costs in the lineup. The Tiguan R-Line, with its higher power output, naturally consumes more but compensates with thrilling performance and sharper dynamics. Globally, the Tiguan is priced differently across regions. In India, prices are expected to start around 35 lakh rupees and go up to 45 lakh rupees for the top trims. In Europe, the base model begins near 38,000 euros, while the plug-in hybrid and R-Line models can exceed 55,000 euros. In the United States, the Tiguan